Hey guys, it's Allison and I have something exciting to show you. I just went down to my post box across the border and picked up a box of crayons and a few other things. So I thought I would look at it with you together. Okay, let's just start on top. Box of crayons, 6x6 paper pad. Hang on, let's cut this open. So cute. Just gorgeous colors and motifs. She always has a camera print. This one's a little retro. I'm not really too on board with the toucans, but you know, it is what it is. You can't love every motif in every collection, right? Just cut apart and then it just repeats. So that is the 6x6 paper pad, and I also got the 6x8 paper pad. So this is like a journaling book. So there's pages in here like that one that you could just, you could use as a title, or if you do more pocket pages where you have that size of pocket, that could be one of your inserts. And then there's these ones that are more specifically for journaling. But even if you didn't want to journal specifically about a Monday, you could easily cut the days of the week off and just have this. It'd be beautiful, just journaling section, or even just little blocks. Have the pink stripe on one of your blocks, the yellow on another, the blue on another. It's so easy to use this in multiple ways. Like that. You could cut that up into multiple journaling boxes so easily. It'd be so fun. And then you get some just simple ones. It's just got a bit of wood grain and some lines for writing. I saw her do a layout with this one. It was really fun. I can't eat dairy, so that's very sad. I don't really have a lot of opportunity to write about giant ice cream sundaes anymore. Unless it's my girls eating them. I'm not sure if there's any repeats in here, but we will find out soon enough. I love that cloud, by the way. It's fabulous. If you've been watching my channel at all, you know I love clouds. That's quite fabulous. Journal in an arc. I feel like I'm missing one there. Oops. This has got a very slight ombre, so lighter pink to darker pink. More clouds. You know I love that. Okay, that's it. That is a lot. So there's tons in there for journaling on. Okay, the other thing I did pick up was some white cardstock and some adhesive. I've been using a lot of adhesive lately because of all my pages. So I'm going to give these a try. We'll see. Okay, let's see what's in this goodie bag. So this is the box of crayons sticker and washi tape folder. So how fabulous are these folders? Okay. Okay, so there are a bunch of motifs in this collection that I'm pretty confident I won't use, but they're also super cute, like the chameleons. I have no reason to scrapbook about chameleons, but they're darn cute. And again, the toucans, I have no idea if I'll ever use toucans, but these are the washi tape, so there's some gold foil on a couple of them. In her previous sticker book, these squares were also washi. This time they're cardstock. And then a multicolored, well, okay, a rainbow alphabet set on wood grain. So that's one folder. And then this one is all letter stickers, I believe. So there's the folder, appropriately with letters all over it. So we've got navy on silver, kind of iridescent silver, gold on pink, the multicolored alphabet, another one on blue this time, silver on red, silver on turquoise, and gold on navy, and then another rainbow alphabet. Super good. I love having the little alphabet tiles for my titles. There were some of the embellishments I didn't bother buying because I was fairly certain I would never use them, like the puffy stickers, because they had a lot of the toucans and dogs and cats and things, and that's not my style. But I did buy 2 packs of the enamel shapes because I figure I will go through them. I had 2 packs of the Glitter Girl ones, and I am basically finished them. So I did buy the ephemera pack though. There's a better look at what's in there. It's picture frames, giant cake. I love all the crayons. One of the projects that I really need to catch up on and get finished, or get all caught up on, I guess, is my girls' school albums. So I think a lot of these motifs are going to be great for that. I did get the photo corners. I really like the ones from Glitter Girl. So I got those ones, and they have some holographic finishes on them. So rainbow, turquoise with dots, and then rainbow dots. And then the alphabets. So this is a rainbow chipboard alphabet set. And I could not pass up on the navy glitter thicker words and icons and like little dots and stars and hearts and things you can scatter around. And the 6x12 sticker sheet. Okay, and now the papers. And I did not get all the papers because I knew there was some that I would not be able to use. And I also apparently bought a pink paisley paper. I thought I had taken all the pink paisley out of my basket, but I guess not. This is from Pick Me Up. Okay, box of crayons. This is on a roll. All the multicolored circles. It's on light pink. And then lots of different colored triangles in the back. And then those cameras on the branding strip. Believe in You. I love this multicolored mosaic, sort of fractured pattern. Be good for a background. And multicolored polka dots with the doggy. I can't remember what type of doggy that is. I will pretty much never use that branding strip. And this one's called Fall in Line. So these are supposed to be like the ends of pencil crayons as you're looking like straight down on them. I think it looks so cool. Such a good concept. And then triangles and that rainbow polka dot pattern on the branding strip. That's the spirit. So sort of a tealy turquoise background with these lovely pink flowers. This would be really nice cut apart, I think. And sort of birthday confetti sprinkles and the crayons along the branding strip. A beautiful ledger. This is called Writer's Block. And the pencil crayons have these shapes cut out of the leads at the top. I think that's a really fun little detail. And another multicolored polka dot, this time on navy. And then you've got those chameleons along the bottom. This is one of the cut apart sheets. This is called Treat Yourself. And lollipops on the back with purple polka dot branding strip. I love this pattern. This is called Cut Here. And there are all the scissors on the back and another multicolored striped branding strip. Here are the camera prints. This is called Snapshot. And a green polka dot on the other side with that multicolored triangular pattern on the branding strip. In the Sky, I got two of these because the other side is that. And I honestly can see myself using both sides. So I wanted to give myself some options. And it's got that multicolored polka dot on the branding strip. Another cut apart sheet. This is called All the Things. So these are really great for tucking in. You just need like a little cluster, or even like some of these, you know, you might not like the motif. Like I keep going back to the toucan. But I could cut out the square for the color and then layer something over the top of the toucan and you would never know. But the color would be there and that would be what I would want for my embellishment cluster. And then the other side is this lovely tone-on-tone blue polka dot with Hello on the branding strip. This is Pick Your Own, lovely strawberry pattern. Red and white polka dots and then like a green branding strip. This is called Promise. It's a floral with some oranges. And the other side, this navy and turquoise striped pattern with the same floral on the branding strip, just smaller scale. This is called All Change. And I can definitely see myself cutting this up into smaller blocks to use for journaling. Or the other side, because it's just so darn cute. Some of the motifs I just could not see myself using, and I have no idea where I would use this. I do have some photos from a Disneyland trip in 2012 where we went to see Rapunzel, so I could throw a bunch of chameleons on that page. I don't think I've scrapbooked too much about that visit, but I just couldn't pass it up. And the rainbow polka dots on the bottom. This is called Make Something. So this you could use as a 12 by 12 or cut it up into little motifs. Like you could cut out the frames for some accents. There's glasses, cameras, like the paintbrushes. If you're into cats, cut out your cats. Or just use the other side. And then the branding strip has some inspirational words on it. And the last cut apart sheet, this is called Say Yes Often. And a tone-on-tone yellow polka dot with that blue and turquoise striped on the branding strip. And then I also got the holographic foil on vellum specialty paper. Let's see if I can take it out. So it's silver, excuse me, silver foil or silver holographic, I guess, polka dot pattern on vellum. The other side is kind of cool too because the polka dots then become pink, so you could use both sides of this. It's quite fabulous. Okay guys, that is what I got for a box of crayons. So there are other patterns that I did not get. There are other embellishments, other patterns that I didn't get. Sorry, let's get that pick me up out of the way. The dog, there's a pattern paper with the dog all over it. I didn't bother getting that because I don't do dogs. We don't own a dog. And I think there's even one with cats all over it. I didn't bother getting that. There's like the puffy stickers I talked about. I didn't get those. And there's some patches I didn't get. And there's also the shaker puffy stickers. I didn't bother getting those either. These are things that I know that I'm not going to use on my pages, so it doesn't it doesn't make sense for me to waste my money on something that I'm not going to use just because it's new and exciting. So when I was making purchases, I initially put everything in my cart, and then I went through it and I was like, no, I cannot see myself using that. Out it goes. So that's what I did. So I'm very excited to get started with these. However, I have other things on the go right now, so this is going to have to be put aside for a little bit while I finish up my Clear the Desk. And I do need to finish up my December daily, but I can't wait to start scrapping with these. Okay, so if you're interested in buying any of these, I will leave a link below this video that will take you to scrapbook.com where I bought them. And it is a link specifically to the 12 by 12 project pad, which I haven't talked about, which I did not buy either because it has a lot of the A-side papers in it, and I don't necessarily scrap with A-sides a lot. I'm mostly a B-side scrapper, really. It's also got a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. I think they are different from these ones though. And then it's got another set of alphabet stickers in there. It's also got coordinating cardstock and glitter cardstock. I just felt for my money, I would get more use out of the double-sided 12 by 12 papers than the project pad. So that's why I decided not to buy that. I really wanted to spend my money on the papers and all the other embellishments. But it is gorgeous, and if that's, I mean, it's a nice, easy way to get the collection all in one. So anyway, so the link goes to that. It is an affiliate link, so a little bit of your purchase comes back to me to help support me do what I do and make my husband happy. But yeah, so I thank you very much for shopping with my link, and I look forward to sharing my creations with this new line from Shimelle. Thanks, guys. Bye.